are dropping off climate action kits at several of our Albemarle County elementary schools. It's really exciting because these kits have different activities to help engage students with climate action and helping to prevent climate change.
We're putting these in the hands of 800 fourth graders, and in fourth grade students learn about their role in the solar system, eventually what their impact is here on Earth. Specifically, students are learning that Virginia has natural resources, and they're learning what those natural resources are. And so as a result of the unit that the students are currently learning in, we're really looking for students to think about their impact in our world and how do we conserve our natural resources.
It aligns so perfectly with our fourth quarter. We do all science in the fourth quarter, and everything is oriented towards Virginia resources. So natural resources, plant resources, animal resources. It intersects so perfectly with our curriculum. And so we'll be using these in class, and then some of them that might fit better we want to share with families. We might have send things home also.
I think they look really fun. Well, I really like hands-on things and like building, and it looks like you can do that in the kits.
Like solar energy, so we use less energy. And then growing plants, so we use less of the Earth's natural resources.
It's almost like a present that they're opening up, and what's exciting for us is that this gift has supplies that lead them to learn more about science and how they can be scientists.
Because if it wasn't for science, we wouldn't have a lot of resources we have now.
So we have an energy home scavenger hunt where kids and their families can explore the opportunities to save energy in their homes. A solar nightlight, so we can start thinking about renewable energy solutions and what those might look like. There's a build your own lettuce garden, so there's lots of math lessons in there. The potential of, how far does food travel and what's the climate impact of how far that food travels versus if you grow it yourself. And there's also opportunities for students to express their own thoughts, both through art. There's a little mural project that they can create, and also a postcard that they can send to local decision makers or school leaders or whomever they may want, just their thoughts on climate and our planet and the solutions they want to see in their community.
It looks really fun.
Part of it is just fun, right? That's part of it, is just that connecting science and the curriculum to things that they can build, because building and making things is always more powerful than just reading about it. So part of it is it lasts with them because of that. And also I think that when they begin to see connections to not just like these four walls, but they see a connection to things that they do at home, and then also connections to the broader community, I think again, it just sticks with them more. And they see that our fourth grade science is not just about what happens here at Brownsville, it's really what happens all day long and all throughout the year.
Learning about climate and the future and the solutions that exist really helps to set them up to be the leaders who are ready to take on these problems of tomorrow and the solutions of tomorrow.